Hey, what's going on, YouTube family and friends? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your garden tags for fruit trees. Now, you can make these tags for to label your plants, plant tags. These are great outdoor tags for you to use because they're not going to wear off. So we're gonna go ahead and get into what you need to make these tags. All right, you're gonna need a soda can, you're gonna need a pen, you're gonna need a pair of scissors, and you're gonna need a hole puncher. And I'm also you can use a cutting board, or I'm just gonna use this clipboard to write on, and you'll see that in a second. All right, so first thing, I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to just cut a slit through it. Because all I'm going to do is go around the entire can. Just like this. And you want to make sure that you are careful that you don't cut yourself. Now I know the edge is going to look all raggedy, and I was kind of worried about getting cuts with this, so I'm going to show you how to take care of that. Alright, I'm going to cut a slit going all the way down the can, and then I'm going to go around one more time. Just like this, and be careful, like I said, do not cut yourself. Alright, so you can go ahead and put this in the recycle area. So all I have is this little slit. So what I'm gonna do, and you can decide how long you want to make your tags. So you have a lot to write down, like the date, what type of plant or fruit tree it is. If you need to put down some notes, you can make it this long, however long you want to make it. All right, so to make sure the edges are nice and smooth, I'm going to round this off. So all I'm gonna do is go round and round till I have the edges nice and smooth. And like I said, you get to decide how big or how small you want to make this. Now, this was not my idea. I got this from a YouTuber named Lead Farmer 73. You can check out his channel. He has a lot of great information on his channel. Alright, so I just made it nice and round, and so it should be smooth. But you still want to be careful not to make sure you get cut, because this is thin, could cut like a paper cut, and we don't want that. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on my clipboard, and I'm gonna take my pen. The ink is not going to stay on the aluminum tag. All right, so you want to make your indentation on it. That's why you want to use a piece of wood or a cutting board, because you're gonna have it to indent the actual word, and you're not gonna be able to remove it. So I'm gonna bring you in close so you can see what it looks like. All right, now the tree that I'm going to write down is my Asian pear tree. All right, so all you see that I'm going to go over it several times, just like that, to make the indentation. The ink is not gonna stay, but that's not what I'm doing this for. All right, and this tag is going to last a long time. All right, these are inexpensive tags that you can make, just like I'm showing you right now. And you don't have to worry about spending lots of money. You can use your money for some other things that you want to put in your garden. If you know me, I like to make a lot of things. I will spend money on some real nice items that I can't make, but I try to save as much as possible. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put Asian pear right here. And once I look this up on my email, I will come back and put the date that I put these down in the ground. And you also may want to put that information, just whatever information you want to have on your tree, so I can keep up with how old the tree is. All right, almost done. And all you're gonna do is just keep going over it like that. Now I'm going to rub the ink away, because that's not gonna stay. All right, so that's what it should look like. And if you look at the back, it's a stencil in from the back, so that's why I go over and over. Now this is gonna last a long time. Not saying it's gonna last the life of the tree, but these tags should be here for years. The next thing that I'm going to do, and I forgot to say, I think, well, you need a hole puncher. So you're gonna go ahead and slide it in and make your hole. And I also forgot to tell you that you need these zip ties. Now, if you don't want to use a zip tie, if you have like a small thin chain that you want to use, you can do that too. But all I'm gonna do is attach it just like this. I'm not gonna zip it on till we go outside. We're about to go outside to actually apply this to my tree. But that's going to let me know what my tree, the name of my tree, so I don't forget it. And I got to go and look through some of my actual trees, that the receipts, because I lost one or two of my tags, so I got to go ahead and look at that. Now, that is the simple way to save money. Make your tags. I don't drink soda, so I got my family members, they drink soda. I stopped for like the last 14 years. But if you don't drink soda, you can find a can. It could be any type of a can. And then, like I said, I'm gonna throw this in the recycle. And I got 21 trees, and so I'm gonna go ahead and use this method to get the trees labeled. This is a great, easy, cheap way to label your plants. I mean, your trees, your plants, and you can do a variety of different things for outdoors. You want to label them. All right, so let's go outside. Let me show you how I attach this label to my fruit tree, and so you can see how easy it is. All right, now we outside. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to label your cheap garden markers or your name tags that we made from the actual soda cans. All right, so I'm gonna take my zip tie. This zip tie is made for outside, so it's gonna be able to handle the UV rays from the sun, so it should last a long time. And if these snap, just go ahead and buy another one. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and zip that through, and all I do is pick a branch that I want to put this around. All right, now notice I did not put it real tight, so I'm gonna keep a check. But when this branch gets to be real big, then I may need to pick another branch or use two of these. All right, so but it's not gonna grow anytime soon. All right, so now I have my name tag up here, and I can go ahead and take this off. And just remember, these will girdle your tree at the base, so you want to make sure that you get these off. And if you look, these are starting to fade. I got some of them that are worse than that. All right, so I want to always be able to know what plant, what tree that is. And so I got a lot of other trees to do this with, and it's very simple, and you can do this also. So if you think this was helpful, please give a like, and please share this video with others that may need this tip. It keeps it cheap, it's nice, simple, and these should last for a very long time. All right, this is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel, and I'll see you next time. All right, later.